What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another Foundation Friday. Mwah. We're gonna jump right into this one. We're gonna be reviewing, wear testing, and all that fun stuff as we always do. The NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil non-comedogenic foundation. I have the color Beige Camel here. It is BWMSV05. So this is a color that I chose. I think there's one color above that I much would have rather be putting on my face today, but Ulta was out of stock, so I just grabbed the next best thing in hopes that not hoping that I got paler, but I got paler. My face is much lighter than my arm. But we're gonna be testing out this foundation, so let's just jump right into it. So there's a ton of stuff on the back. It says that it's supposed to give you hydration for 8 hours, provides a fresh-faced look, evens out skin tone, provides seamless coverage, breathable, weightless formula, skin looks luminous, does not streak, and provides an 8-hour wear. So we're gonna see if it does all that. I can already tell this is gonna be so yellow. Oh, Julia, why do you do this to yourself? I'm gonna apply it with a sponge. Oh, it's so yellow. Just because, oh, it's not that yellow, but you guys can see like how yellow that is. You can even see it like on my hand. Definitely would have much rather went with the shade above, but God, why do I always get the shade wrong? I just was too excited for it and I was like, nah, I'm just gonna get this one. I'm not gonna wait. So far so good, and I am gonna go for more of a light coverage just because the shade is not all there for me as per usual. Definitely light coverage so far. You can see it's not really covering up anything at all. Oh, so yellow. My goodness. All right, guys, let's take a look. I'm gonna stay right here for just a second. I think from far away, it definitely does everything that it says. It's not as luminous as I expected it to be. It's definitely breathable. It is weightless. It evens out skin tone, but it does not hide any imperfections. So if you're looking for something to cover up, this is not it for you. Fresh faced look, definitely 100%, just because it isn't heavy at all and it does not streak, which is true, but I also didn't apply it with a brush. Hold on, let's see something. I mean, that's like a weird, I mean, it does streak if I use a brush, but I don't really know what that means, to be honest with you. How do you get something to not, like, I don't know. So far so good. The color isn't really as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Once you blend it in, it definitely takes some of the shade of your own skin tone, just because it is such a lighter coverage foundation. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup. I do like it so far. Of course, I hate the color, but that's a me thing. And maybe one day I'll get over it. But I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup, come back, show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll wear test it for the day. BRB. Okay. Hi guys. Okay, so here's what the foundation looks like. I did put a good amount of concealer on. Let me lower this. So it looks the same. It's definitely not a lot of coverage at all. It's definitely like your summer foundation, you know, you don't want a lot on your face kind of thing. That's what I'm getting from this foundation, and don't mind the bronzer. It looks a little muddy, but you know, we tried here. But I mean, it looks fine. Like, it looks fine. It's nothing, I think for me, it's nothing special is what I'm getting at. It is evening out my skin tone and it does look good. Nothing really crazy happened when I put powder on or blush or anything like that. It doesn't look super pory. It just looks like a BB cream foundation that is super light coverage for this summer, and it doesn't feel heavy either. So yeah, that's kind of like what the foundation is. We're gonna test it out. I'm gonna be in the city for a little bit, as I normally am before Foundation Friday. And then I'm just gonna be doing some errands and working and stuff like that. So I will come back and show you guys what it looks like later on in the day and give you my final thoughts. Hi, I have clothes on. We're back and we're here to review. Hey. It's so sad that I like film and I give you guys this beautiful look and then I throw my hair in an ugly ass bun and I put my glasses on. But we're here. I wore this foundation for a couple of hours. I put it on at around 5 o'clock this morning and it is now 1 p.m. It's 8 hours. Stop drinking, I am filming. Why, thank you, I appreciate you. Now if we could just stop walking too. So I've had this foundation on for the 8 hours that it said it could hold for. So, hey, miss, come here. Come in here. Come on. Come say hi. She just runs away. All right, let's zoom you guys in. Let's talk about this foundation. I'm so tired. All right, so overall, it really doesn't look that bad. Again, I'm just like kind of dealing with the fact that I really dislike this color for my skin tone. But looking at the foundation itself, it did start to come off where obviously my glasses were. Let's see if I can blend that out a little bit. Nope, when it comes off, it's off. It didn't get like cakey. It didn't really get oily. It did, if anything happened to this foundation, it did get a little bit oily right here in this area. It was super hot. I did walk a little bit. Definitely not as much as I've walked with other foundations on, and definitely not the hottest day in the world, but it did start to just get a little bit oily, but everywhere else on my face it looks fine. Like it didn't really crease. It doesn't look super pory. It just is exactly what it says it is. It is a very light coverage, breathable, wearable. I wouldn't even call it a foundation. I don't even think they call it a foundation. It is the Bear With Me foundation. I would say it's like a BB cream, and it is exactly that. It is just there to even out your skin tone. I definitely give it a thumbs up for what it is. Is it my favorite foundation in the entire world? No, but it is definitely something that is more affordable. It is a drugstore brand, and I feel like a lot of drugstores, I feel like I don't really know of many, off the top of my head, I can't really give you guys many drugstore BB cream type foundations or foundations like this. So I definitely think that it's a good foundation. It does what it says it does. I think it could be good for a wide range of different skin types. So it could work for oily skin, it could work for dry skin, and I think it could work for combination skin. It just, I think, all depends on how you apply it. But it stayed for the 8 hours and it still looks good. Like I said, it started to get a little bit oily right there on my forehead, but not to the point where I look like I have a shiny little bar of a unibrow on my head. So that is it, you guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning into yet another Foundation Friday. If you guys know of any foundations that are coming out, or there's a foundation that you guys want me to review, leave it in the comments down below. And make sure to check out all of my other Foundation Fridays right here on the side, and all of my other YouTube videos. And as always, subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on everything and anything, okay? But we do post basically like 6 times a week. So just like come back to the channel whenever. I'm sure there will be something new. All right, love you guys. See you soon. Peace. Bye.